Hello and welcome to English for Grade 4. With me here, Daniel, your teacher, and this is a virtual program from the School of Mongol Art, your school. Today is Monday, the 30th of November. Thank you for joining me again, and we're going to have lessons for today. So go to your student book, Unit 6, page number 30. The title of unit is A Summer of Adventure. First, the meaning of adventure. The activity, the sport, the things you do and is full of excitement and joy. That is adventure. The first part, exercise number 1. You're supposed to listen and repeat. So let me just switch on the speaker here and listen to the tape exercise number 1. Okay, listen up.
Unit 6. A Summer of Adventure. Exercise 1, page 30. Listen and repeat. Playing field.
Playing field.
Golf.
Golf.
Canoeing.
Canoeing.
Fencing.
Fencing.
Drama.
Drama.
Art and crafts.
Art and crafts. Okay, you need to practice this part and you need to pay attention to sounds. Okay, let me just turn this off for the time. And look at the first one, playing field. Playing field, a piece of land that is used or prepared for playing games. Okay, that is playing field. Look at the picture, the left picture here. And what is the next one? Look at here, golf. The sport that you know it, no need to explain. And the next one, canoeing. What canoe is? Canoe is a light boat that is pointed on both sides and is narrow, and you can propel, you can travel on it with paddling. And what is paddle? Paddle is the stick that you can see is here in the picture. This is paddle and this is canoe, and canoeing is traveling on a canoe. This might be a new sport to you, and the name, I mean fencing. What is fencing? Fencing is the sport of fighting using swords. Okay, and what is the next one? Drama. Okay, this is acting. Okay, drama is acting in a theater, in a movie, and on the stage. Okay, and what is the next one? Art and crafts. To make with hands models, or maybe to draw and to paint. The thing is, when you come to these sports and hobbies or activities, you have to be able to read properly. Playing field, golf, canoeing. Okay, canoeing, and fencing, and drama. At the end you have to bring very light drama, and art and craft. Art, no in British, and craft. Okay, so here we started unit 6 and it's about the summer full of adventure. Exercise 1 was practicing and reading and understanding the vocabulary of the lesson. Don't miss, read at home. Let's move to exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, you have to listen and complete. Complete what? You have to complete the sentences from 1 to 3. Look at number 1. A visit to Kamakulum is an excellent way to spend your what? Okay, look at 2. We need to complete this sentence and take a fencing lesson or join the group. And the last one, After breakfast, it's fun and for the rest of the day. Okay, you are supposed to listen and complete the sentences from 1 to 3. Okay, we're going to play
Exercise 2, page 30.
Let me see if I can.
Listen and complete.
Camp McCullen, A Summer of Adventure by Carmen Monroe. A visit to Camp McCullen.
Okay, listen up. Exercise number 2.
Exercise 2, page 30. Listen and complete.
Camp McCullen, A Summer of Adventure by Carmen Monroe. A visit to Camp McCullen is an excellent way to spend your summer. Believe me, I go there every year and I always have a fantastic time. Camp McCullen offers plenty of activities and you can choose how to spend your day. Do you like team games? You can play volleyball, hockey, or soccer. Camp McCullen has 3 large playing fields. You can play golf and tennis, or go sailing or canoeing on the lake. There's something exciting to do every day. Would you like to try something new? Then take a fencing lesson or join the drama group or the art and crafts class. There are helpful and friendly team leaders to teach you anything you want to know. Campers usually get up early for a big breakfast to start their day. After breakfast, it's fun and games for the rest of the day. We stop for lunch, of course. In the evenings, there's lots more fun. Quizzes, games, films, and music. Camp McCullen is waiting for you this summer. Don't delay. Get your form today. You can find more information at www.campmccullen.co.uk.
Okay, the audio is finished. It was about Camp McCullen and the practice was about completing the sentences here. You were supposed to complete sentences. Pay attention. You needed to read through the sentences here and then listen to the audio's tape. A visit to the Camp McCullen is an excellent way to spend your what? And number 2 and number 3. Listen one more time. I want you to pay attention. Then I'm going to help you to complete these sentences. First, you give it a go and you try. Okay, listen again. Exercise number 2, page number 30, Unit 6, A Summer of Adventure.
Exercise 2, page 30. Listen and complete.
Camp McCullen, A Summer of Adventure by Carmen Monroe. A visit to Camp McCullen is an excellent way to spend your summer. Believe me, I go there every year and I always have a fantastic time. Camp McCullen offers plenty of activities and you can choose how to spend your day. Do you like team games? You can play volleyball, hockey, or soccer. Camp McCullen has 3 large playing fields. You can play golf and tennis, or go sailing or canoeing on the lake. There's something exciting to do every day. Would you like to try something new? Then take a fencing lesson or join the drama group or the art and crafts class. There are helpful and friendly team leaders to teach you anything you want to know. Campers usually get up early for a big breakfast to start their day. After breakfast, it's fun and games for the rest of the day. We stop for lunch, of course. In the evenings, there's lots more fun. Quizzes, games, films, and music. Camp McCullen is waiting for you this summer. Don't delay. Get your form today. You can find more information at www.campmccullen.co.uk.
Okay, for the second time you listen to the audio and tape script. If you need it, you can listen more. But I'm going to answer the question here. For the first one, what did you write? Look at here. It was a visit to Camp McCullen is an excellent way to spend your summer. Well done, your summer. And how do you spell summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. U-M-M-E-R. Well done. Okay, so you're really good at number 1. How about number 2? Take a fencing lesson or join the what? Join the drama group. Drama. And how do you spell that? D-R-A-M-A. And number 3. After breakfast, it's fun. And what? Games for the rest of the day. Wow, wonderful camp. So, and how do you spell games? Well done. G-A-M-E-S. Okay, sounds good. We have done it completely. So here, first we started with knowing some words. Vocabulary, you should understand the fencing, you should understand canoeing, you should understand playing field. And you know the rest of them. For example, golf is easy for you. Drama, art. Okay, so we completed the second exercise in this page. We're going to exercise number 3. Look at the title of exercise. You need to read and choose a title for each paragraph. Okay, so we have got 4 titles that are presented. 1. Plenty of things to do. We need to choose a title. One of these titles for each paragraph. Number B. Parents' evening. Number C. A great way to spend your summer. And number D. From morning to evening. And the last one, E. Fill in your form now. Okay, so we are presented here in this exercise with a number of titles. You have to match the titles with the paragraphs. Look at here. Here we have our text. You need to read it and choose a title for each paragraph. What is the title? Camp McCullen, A Summer of Adventure. And you can see by Carmen Monroe. Okay, we have first paragraph, which is written for you. See, the title is done. We have second paragraph. Look at the paragraph just below the picture. And here the second paragraph. You can see paragraph number 3 on the right. Paragraph number 3 on the right. And paragraph number 4 is here. So we've got 4 paragraphs and we need to match them to the titles here. But the first one is done. Means the title for paragraph number 1 is C. Okay? Means C is done for you. And what we need to do. First, when you come to write, pay attention. Your writing should be in the form of a number of paragraphs. And when you start each paragraph, you leave a small space here. This space called indent. So when you come to write something, the first paragraph, indent, blank space, and then you start here and come back further a little bit to the margin. Look here, and then goes to the end of paragraph. You see these are supposed to start from the same line. But when it comes to the second paragraph, another paragraph, you jump to the right again, start here. From these spaces, you leave, I can understand, the paragraph. So you come to a good writing if you have these spaces and paragraphs. Just remember, when you write anything, you need to divide your writing into paragraphs. Okay, let's go to these paragraphs and complete this task. We need to read it together and then choose for each paragraph one title. But instead of reading through this. Because you can't read, I'm going to play this. And I'm going to play the audio for you. Pay attention to this first paragraph. Look here. Paragraph 1.
Exercise 2, page 30.
Sorry, I need to turn or switch this on. I turn it off.
Listen and complete.
Input mode of audience frequency.
Okay, listen again.
Exercise 2, page 30. Listen and complete.
Camp McCullen, A Summer of Adventure by Carmen Monroe. A visit to Camp McCullen is an excellent way to spend your summer. Believe me, I go there every year and I always have a fantastic time. Camp
Okay.
McCullen
Sorry. Okay, it was the first paragraph. It was about spending time in the summer. Go back to your question. You're supposed to choose the best title for this part, and the book says is number C. Look at number C. A great way to spend your summer. So if you want to have a title for the first paragraph, the best title is C. Now, you are going to listen the second paragraph. Listen to the second paragraph and then find out what title best suits this paragraph. Okay? So I'm going to play the audio for you again. Listen and choose. And the good idea is to move this down. Okay, a little bit further down. And a little bit down. And okay, so you can see the items there, and
There's
continue.
plenty of activities, and you can choose how to spend your day. Do you like team games? You can play volleyball, hockey, or soccer. Camp McCullen has 3 large playing fields. You can play golf and tennis, or go sailing or canoeing on the lake. There's something exciting to do every day. Would you like to try something new? Then take a fencing lesson or join the drama group or the art and crafts class. There are helpful and friendly team leaders to teach you anything you want to know.
Okay, so we listen to the second paragraph. Now the question is, which one do you think can come up with the best title? In this paragraph we learned about many things you can do, like canoeing, like joining the drama group, like playing golf, playing tennis and everything. So here, for second paragraph, what do you think? Was it about plenty of things to do? Yes, well done. So for second paragraph, you should write A, or here, A is the best title for second paragraph. The exercise is sort of paying attention to understand the main story inside this paragraph. Okay, we're going to listen to paragraphs one by one, and then we focus on the title. These two should be referring to the same ideas. So in this paragraph, paragraph 2, we had information about things to do, plenty of things you can do. So for number 2 paragraph, the title is A. Now listen to the third paragraph, paragraph number 3. First, I need to move this down and to make sure that I can see the end of paragraph. Okay, the end of paragraph. Okay, so listen to the third paragraph. See, can we find it or not? Okay, here.
Campers usually get up early for a big breakfast to start their day. After breakfast, it's fun and games for the rest of the day. We stop for lunch, of course. In the evenings, there's lots more fun. Quizzes, games, films, and music. Camp McCullen.
Okay, so we heard something about from morning, breakfast, and lunch and evening. So what is the best title for you to choose? For third paragraph, which one do you think? Was it about parents' evening? No, we didn't talk about parents. A and C already were chosen, so we have 2 options, D and E. Was it from morning to evening? Yes. In the morning we have breakfast. In the evening we go to listen to music and others. Okay, so for paragraph number 3, the best title is D. Now look at the paragraph E, our last paragraph. Listen and find the title.
Is waiting for you this summer. Don't delay. Get your form today. You can find more information at www.campmccullen.co.uk.
Okay, let me switch it off.
Power off.
I got noise. Okay, in the unit 4, in the paragraph 4, we learn about something about filling the form, and then ask you to hurry up, join us this summer. So which one is the correct title? Look at the E. Fill in your form now means join us. You can go on the website, or you can ask your friends about the adventure, particularly on this occasion. Okay, so let's look at the things we did today. Today, the 30th of November, Monday, the first day of our class. And remember, you needed to complete classwork. So for exercise number 1, write these all activities in your notebook. Go to your notebook, the title of this unit 6, and then you write a date, 30th of November, and then write number 1. Write your notebook, playing field, and practice reading it. And then write the rest of the words or vocabulary in your notebook. This is your first classwork. Okay, how about number 2? Listen to the video if you need again and again, and then write the statements or sentences from 1 to 3, but you need to be completed writing. Okay, so classwork number 2, write these sentences completed in your notebook. Classwork number 3. Okay, for classwork number 3, you have to write all the paragraphs. Okay, here, but when you come to write, use a title for them. Look at here. So in your notebook, you write the title, exercise number 3, and write Camp McCullen and a summer of adventure. And you write before paragraph 1 this. Look at here. A group, what is that? Is it C? Yes, I think a grade, I said group. My eyesight. Not a problem with the computer, not a problem with the book. My eyesight. Okay, a great way to spend your summer. So you start the first paragraph with the title, A Great Way to Spend Your Summer, and then you write down this first paragraph. When you come to the next one again, write the title, Plenty of Things to Do. Plenty of things to do. And then you write the second paragraph. From here starts, write it down up to here. You've got plenty of writing today. I'm afraid you might get tired, but remember, do writing and get really good. You can get to the top. Okay, again, when you come to the third paragraph, write here from morning to evening, and then write paragraph number 3 starting from here. When you do writing, remember you have to leave a space at the start of paragraph, but the title doesn't need a space. You start the title from here, goes here, for example, from morning to evening, and then paragraph starts here. Just the starts of the first line of a paragraph, not the title. And the last one again, you're supposed to write number 4. But before that, write this title. Look at here. Fill in your form now. So in your notebook, you write from, let me see, where is the cursor here? You write here, from here, fill in your form now, an exclamation, and then start with the indent here or space. You're writing. You have plenty of writing, but make sure you do that. These are your classwork and you need to submit it to me. I need to look at them. I need to see them. Okay, so today we started and completed the first page of Unit 6 from your student book. Thank you for joining me today. And this brings us to the end of our class today. Stay out of harm's way and safe and sound indoors. Goodbye.